Hello there, my name is Jonna Stark, and today I'm going to show you one of my one-bedroom listings right here in Astoria. It's just up the block. Let's go. Welcome to 4K. I'd love to show you 4 things I love about this apartment. One bedrooms rarely have enough closet space. This apartment has closet, 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 closet. 6 closets. Another thing I love about this apartment is that there is a window in the kitchen and a window in the bathroom. Great ventilation. Also, rarely do one bedrooms have more than one exposure. This apartment is a corner unit and has double exposure. Another thing I love about this apartment is how quiet it is. Shh, shh. Do you hear anything? That's right, peaceful. And huge bonus, the building has a laundry room and it's free to shareholders. Look no further for your future home. This 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit with double exposures is located just 2 blocks from the 36th Avenue NW subway station and boasts one of the best and convenient locations in all of Astoria. Situated on the 4th floor of the Paul Revere Astoria Cooperative, this unit is peaceful, charming, and bright. Thanks so much for taking the time to see 3555 29th Street, Apartment 4K. Reach out to schedule a showing today.